how to play offline battles in Dragon Ball Z Xenoverse 2. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can play offline battles in Dragon Ball Z Xenoverse 2. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So in order to play offline battles in Dragon Ball Z Xenoverse 2, you have to follow these steps. Step 1. Go ahead and connect an additional controller to your platform either via wired or wireless connection. Step 2. Make sure the controller is properly detected by the platform. If you are on a console, set up a user account for the second player. Step 3. Go to the battle information station and look for the offline battles option on the left side. Step 4. Choose local battle and you will be able to set up the roster. Player 1 selects their fighter and player 2 can press a button on their controller to choose theirs. Step 5. Choose from a variety of stages and once you're in, the loading screen will appear and you can begin the battle. Step 6. You can also explore free battle options like 1v1, 2v2 or 3v3 against the computer depending on your preference. So that's how you can play offline battles in Dragon Ball Z Xenoverse 2. That's all for this video.